In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to your Wix website quickly and easily. This process will allow you to seamlessly integrate a map feature on your site, enhancing user experience by making it easier for visitors to locate your business or event. Let's get started and you'll see just how simple it can be. First, you'll want to go to your Wix website editor. Sign in and navigate to the specific site you want to work on. Once you are in the editor for your chosen site, look around to familiarize yourself with the interface, especially if you haven't visited in a while. You're about to spruce it up with a map feature. Once you're comfortable, look to the side panel of your screen. Here you'll see a plus icon, which is your gateway to adding new elements. Click on this plus icon and you should see a menu of options appear. These options allow you to customize and add various elements to your pages, such as text, images, and in this case, maps. Next, hover your mouse over Contact and Forms. This section houses several interactive elements that can be beneficial, like contact forms, but it also includes the map feature we're interested in. As you hover, another submenu will appear. Here, you'll want to hover over Maps. As you can see, Wix offers a few ways to integrate a map, which can be incredibly helpful for different site needs. Now it's time to select your map template. You'll see a list of templates you can choose from. Browse through them to find one that best suits the style and layout of your site. A preview of each template will show you what it will look like, so choose carefully. Select the template that aligns with your website's aesthetics. With your template chosen, the next step is crucial: selecting Manage Locations. This option lets you customize what your map displays. This step is essential to make sure your desired location appears correctly on the map for your visitors. Once you're in the Manage Locations pane, add your address. This step is straightforward. Simply type in the address you want the map to show. Make sure your address is correct. Double check for any typos or errors, because accuracy is key for this feature to be helpful to your visitors. Finally, you can add a title to your map. This is a great way to label your map or provide visitors with additional context. For instance, if the address is of your business headquarters, you might title it Our Headquarters. Customize the title to add a personal touch or to clearly communicate what the location represents. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a Google map to your Wix website. This addition not only improves the functionality of your site, but also enhances the overall experience for your audience. With this map feature, visitors will easily find your locations, ensuring better engagement and interaction with your site. Thanks for watching, and happy website designing.